What's up, you guys, and welcome back to another video here in Canada. It is extremely cold today, minus 17, plus the wind chill on top of that. I think it's probably around minus 25 out here right now. It is absolutely freezing. But without further ado, we're going to get the Teryx 4 out and do some donuts in the driveway. I've never actually recorded myself doing donuts, but today is going to be the first time, and the first time for a good reason. So let's go ahead. We got to move some dirt bikes to get at the Teryx 4. Hopefully the battery starts. I don't remember if I put it on a tender or not. Anyways, let's head over there and let's do a cold start. So I just snowblowed the driveway here. That took me about an hour. The driveway's pretty long, but look at that pile right there. It is crazy. We've had a lot of snow here over just the past 4 short days. So I've definitely had my work cut out for me. But today I'm gonna reward myself with some Kawasaki Teryx 4 donuts in the snow. Let's go. Well, and just like that, here is our 2012 Kawasaki Teryx 4. The 4-seater, of course. No turbo, unfortunately, but let's jump on in and let's do a cold start. The battery actually was on the tender. It is green, so hopefully this thing starts. Hasn't run in about 2 weeks, so let's see. Pop her to neutral and 2-wheel drive, of course. Let her rip. And look at that. My parking job was definitely a little close to that lumber. That's about the coldest start that you are going to get here. Well, guys, and just like that, we are back inside. I got a few rollers of the donuts out there. So without further ado, I think we're going to head on up to my office so that I can show you guys what really the main topic of today's video is, which, as by the title, you've already seen. It is basically how customizable the B48 or B46 platform is. And not just even that. It's basically every BMW product. There's so many little modifications you can do, custom tuning. There's Beamer code, for example. You can code stuff in, which I've already done. I've already talked about it. But yeah, we're just going to go upstairs. We'll go through that and basically show you why I love owning a BMW, as there's always so much that you can do to it to make it yours. As you guys already know by now, I have the Dynon D440 tuner in my car, and I absolutely love it. It's only about a 25 horsepower gain or 50 pound-feet of torque, but the actual difference that it makes from stock is really, really impressive. So we're just gonna open up my blinds here to get some proper light in, as you can see. Anyways, let's sit down and get something done. Now that we're up here in the office, of course the laptop's dead, so we're gonna wait for that to charge up. But one thing that I started picking my brain on was it would be really cool to be able to go from all-wheel drive to rear-wheel drive in my G30 chassis. Now, the G30 was from 2017 to 2023, now replaced by the new god ugly G60, which I can't stand. Anyways, that's not about the G60. But when I first heard about this rear-wheel drive to all-wheel drive conversion thing from the push of a button, you plug this thing into your OBD, it scans to the car, and then you can control it from your phone. I'm like, I need this in my life. So that's what we're going to go online and have a quick look at. It's a company called XDelete, I believe, or X Tuning. We'll figure that out once we get online here, once my computer decides to charge up. But on top of the X Tuning, they also have a transmission tune called XHP, as in X horsepower. So we're going to check that out as well. I would like to do a little bit of a transmission tune on my car. It doesn't have to be crazy, but I don't want it stock. I know that. At this point, the car's got 130,000 K on it, and, it needs a bit of customization, a little bit more than just a stock 530i, which is a little boring, in my honest opinion. The stock wheels on it have grown on me. Some of the other stock things on it, like my car didn't have the shadow line. It wasn't all blacked out how I would have spec'd it, which I probably will do again at some point, as I wasn't thrilled with the clip-on shadow line that I bought online from a company in China. It wasn't very good. The quality was really shitty. Have to blur that out before I get demonetized here. But basically, we got to figure out, do I buy this or not? And what are the pros and what are the cons? So hopefully in today's video, we can figure that out. Well, this is called X Automotive. There's XDelete and XHP. So I just added those to my cart, as you can see, and the total was $745 US, which is probably around $1,000 Canadian once you factor in the shipping and the extra like HST and stuff like that. I don't think that was already pre-calculated on there. Anyways, I think that for $1,000 Canadian for a transmission tune and for the xDrive Delete, or basically the xDrive tune modification or code, I don't know what you call that, but basically you can have xDrive whenever you want, or you can say, nah, I feel like doing donuts. You can go to a parking lot, shut that off, and you can get just those back tires spinning, which I absolutely love. Now, I had no idea until I just saw this. The product has been out for around 2 years now. I saw online. I've been doing a little bit of research on it before making this exact video, but I think it would be really cool for content to be able to make a video of myself installing this in my car. I don't know why I never made install videos of that charge pipe I did from CTS Turbo, or even the Dynan Tune. I kind of did the aftermath, but I also installed that when I was having a 102-degree fever, and I just wasn't feeling it. I was feeling like getting that thing installed because I wanted to have a tuned car, but I was feeling like death on the inside. So I guess that's kind of my explanation to why you guys never got a proper video for that. Anyways, you guys, and just like that, if you do want to see me go ahead with getting the G30 transmission tuned and the xDrive coding thing, whatever you call that, as well, done on my G30 chassis, definitely let me know. Please drop a like down below. Please subscribe to the channel, and also leave a comment down below if you enjoyed today's video. Now, one thing I should say before I go is last year, I think I only made like 6 videos all year, and the channel, it grows, but it's not like a consistent growth where I'm basically getting the channel to a point where it's getting better and better. I know on my end, I need to start doing a better job with the uploads. I need to start maybe doing some more drone footage, stuff like that to keep the viewers like you guys engaged. So if you guys have any comments and suggestions, be sure to drop them down below. I am willing to listen to you guys, but just like that, this video is over, and we'll catch you guys hopefully very, very soon in the next one, if I can come up with a video idea. So until then, we'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.